In this video, you will learn how to create a weekly calendar using Notion. This guide provides a step-by-step process to help you set up a functional calendar that can enhance your planning and organization. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address for Notion. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features options for signing in or creating an account. If you already have an account, proceed to sign in using your credentials. After successfully signing in, locate the option to add a new page. This is typically found on the left sidebar of your Notion workspace. Click on the button labeled Add a New Page. Once you click this, a blank page will appear in the main area of your screen, ready for customization. Next, click on the title area of the new page that appears at the top. This area is marked with Untitled by default. When you click on it, you will be able to type in a title for your page, enter a meaningful title such as weekly calendar to reflect the purpose of this page. Now, click on a blank space within the main content area of the new page. This action will allow you to start adding content to your calendar. You should see a blinking cursor indicating that you are ready to type. Type in the command /calendar view to initiate the calendar creation process. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear suggesting various options. This is an important step as it allows you to create a calendar directly within the page. Once you see the drop-down, click on the option labeled Calendar View. This will embed a calendar interface into your Notion page. You will notice that a calendar grid is now displayed, ready for you to input your events and tasks. Next, type the word weekly in the designated area below the calendar. This will help you define the view settings for your calendar, focusing specifically on a weekly layout. It is essential to ensure that this term is entered correctly to achieve the desired format. Following that, locate and click on Settings within the calendar options. This button is usually represented by a gear icon. After clicking, a settings menu will appear, allowing you to customize various aspects of your calendar. In the settings menu, find and click on Layout. This section will let you adjust how your calendar is displayed. You will see various layout options that can enhance the visual organization of your weekly calendar. Next, click on Show Calendar As. This option will provide additional display configurations. You will be presented with various choices regarding how the calendar content is laid out and viewed. Then select the option labeled Week. This selection will adjust your calendar to display a weekly format, which is crucial for planning your week effectively. After making this selection, the calendar will refresh to show the new layout. Finally, click on a blank space within the page again to finalize your setup. This action ensures that all changes are applied and allows you to return to your calendar view. You should now see your weekly calendar ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.